Hello my friends! Today I will try to translate myself from Polish to English. I will try, I promise. And topic of this movie can be, how to say it, about training, or maybe about thing that you think that they are very difficult, very tricky to do, or maybe even impossible, like this piece in my hand, cube in cube. Yes, that's right, is old topic, and probably I'm the last person who didn't try it before, but sometimes it's very easy to do some work, but you need to know the way how to make it. So here it is, piece of pine in my hands. It's a waste from my wooden windows. It will be very good stuff to this work. Dimensions is about 90 by 86 millimeters. So of course we use thicknesser to remove some materials. This spray in my hand, avoid to how to say it, material will be more sliding on the table, and it's not so sticky. Okay, so a couple passes and I will remove. Maximum is about 4 millimeter per one pass, so a lot of chips, like you see, and it's ready. It's ready, and we can go to table saw just to make two cross cuts, and then we have cube 80 by 80 by 80 millimeters. One cut more, and it's ready. And now we need to find a center on one side, so I will use this Chinese but very accurate red stuff, I call it. So two lines, and we have exact center, and we can go to the next machine. I will use a Forstner bit. It's 50 millimeters diameter, but the center point is quite thick, so I will use a much smaller drill just to find, or maybe just to put the material, the wooden block, in right position under the drill, and then I will change the drill to the Forstner. And of course the material, the wood must be keep in place quite stable. It cannot move any direction, so of course I will use a parallel fence, this silver one, and couple clamps to keep in place. And should be like this. And it's a column drill machine, yeah? And of course you can use stop blocks on the fence, any clamp. You can build your clamp if you don't have any Of course, this table, it's homemade, yeah, do-it-yourself version. A lot of aluminium rails, so it's easy to keep material in any position. And now it's secured, so it's ready to work. It's little bit more wobbling because never mind. But I found some mistake, but should be right, should be good. Okay, so time to change the bit. And the dimensions of this block, like I mentioned before, it's 80 millimeters. Drill is 50 millimeters. But if you have bigger, so it will look much better, because then you have a border quite thick, and it's not look very good for me. Okay, so first drill will be just about 1 millimeter depth, because we need to know how deep we should drill. And to get this dimension, you need draw another line from this edge of the circle to this line of which I draw before. It's very easy to find. So this dimensions this dimension is exact depth of your drill. Of course, be careful, because when you drill too deep, too far, you will remove this cube inside permanently, and when you dip too shallow, you will have trouble to remove this cube from inside. So it must be, or maybe you must be accurate. But of course, you can try like me. I was first drill. Oh yeah, and this size of Forstner will produce a lot of chips. So of course, if you have some dust extractor, please use it, because it will help for your health, and of course you don't have clean after work. But like you see, the chips will fly everywhere. And of course, if you will use sharp drill, you will get good result, yeah? If the drill will be dull, then you will get a lot of not clean edges. Okay, and fourth side. Five and 6, and that's it. Nearly end. Not exactly. Like you see, I was drilled too shallow, and these edges, these corners, are too thick for me. So I will try to remove about ½ millimeter from each side, and for sure it will help remove this cube. Okay, so another 1 minute of drilling. For sure I need to do some better extraction system, dust extraction. I'm not a person who like cleaning after work, so for sure I prefer work without dust. It's but of course it's my way of work. And now time to cut out this cube. So please use a sharp chisel or little knife like this. Couple cuts from each side and this cube. Yes, it's free and it's moving. That's right. So like you see, you can clean all the edges. This cube is made from pine, so it's very soft material, and of course you will get some not clean edges inside, and of course you can use sandpaper to remove this all not clean cuts. Yes, you can clean also this cube inside. In this dimension, if you have built or make a cube this dimensions, it's quite easy to clean out, and that's it. So like you see, it's not very difficult. Yes, it's my second attempt, and I'm happy with that, with the result, but I always want to do some more. So now 2 minutes of music. Okay, so I'm back, and now it's look much better. What do you think? Cube in cube in cube in cube. The species I've used is a beech, so it's much more harder, and actually I do bigger size on beginning, but then I decided to cut out this outside sides, and now looks very delicate and looks really cool for me. Okay, so like you see, it's not so hard to make stuff like this. You just need to know how to make it, and then will be easy. Of course, you need to be accurate and patient, but it's normal at woodworking. Okay, thank you very much for your time, and see you on next movie. Thumbs up, what you think? Okay, take care, bye bye.